Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
I'm go with Miss Man. What are they playing for me? No, man, I think good. I'm going to blood. No, but you man, I feel bad when I'm taking my phone. They must think I'm a friend. No, I'm just money, I rob them.
Yes, sir. Greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I. And all things that's good and right among us. You see, I want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to help grow the platform. Seeing Star Dawkins this Vybz Kartel. Or did she? Or we have to wonder, you know. You know, see it, cause we don't know. you see, you have to wonder. Seriously. Is it a this or, you know, has it become the norm? Has it become something that people come to expect? Or, you know what I say? Because at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel sing about the reverse in the other way, expecting that favor from the feminine gender. You know, see it in a most time sang them. In a lot time sang them. You know, see it, you know, miss the opportunity. Seeing? So probably somebody might interpret that as Kartel being that way inclined as well. You know, see, because the culture where that practice is from originally is like both genders hasn't got a problem with performing oral sex on each other. You understand me? I mean, they'll even go further as well. So once you find yourself start engaging in that practice, a culture start engaging in that practice, I mean, the original people is not expecting the practice to be one-handed or one-sided or, you know, selective in that sense. It's obvious that people from the culture is gonna expect the favor to be returned to themselves. See? So I cannot see from where I'm sitting and say she this Vybz Kartel or purpose to this Vybz Kartel. To put it simple. See, coming from an average Jamaican, you could consider it somewhat, you know, if it would have been warranted any consideration given the what I've just said, you know, with the culture where it's originally from, the act is usually both ways. See, so, you know, even if Jamaican themselves, because Aishana questioned it the other day, even though she never called any individual name, you know, see it. Well, as a matter of fact, she said equal rights, you know, see it. So that's the argument. That's the understanding that's being established because the song went big and was widely accepted by most of the population. You know, see, yeah, you have a whole heap of opposition, yes, but like I said, it was widely accepted. The other day, I'm saying a man a drive past a dread on Naggy World TV where the dreaded have a woman up on the post like she's like a piece of cloth hang up on a hanger in a rasta. I saw the dread of the woman up on the post and him head up underneath her crotch. Openly in a public, I mean, it's a light pole, a lamp pole. You know, see. So, I say it has become the norm, but it has become widely accepted. See, so again, the whole practice is not going to be thought of by anybody except some Jamaicans as being one-sided, or except like Vybz Kartel, who sing about receiving but not giving. You know, see? So probably the girl I think say him might not confidence him skill in giving, so him and nothing for him sing, him not think him should have sing about it, sing about his giving. Yeah, I'm not speaking from my understanding, I'm speaking from the girl's perspective. Dawkins is her name. See? So I'm thinking she might be, might have been misinformed somewhere by Vybz Kartel as well. See? So in I'm pride, him have got observe the one year as one for the team. See? And probably explain or have a discussion, a wider explanation, make some people understand really what the argument is, because like I say, you cannot blame the people, you cannot accept a sing about half of the thing and not sing about the other half. See the thing about the difference with that now, and because what we observe as well, see, why I can't fully void the young lady of all comprehensive blame. See, because at the end of the day, we have observed, so well, in our culture, there is an attack on our figureheads who clearly voice the opinions of the masses, like the people, the ghetto, and so on. You understand? Buju Banton get it, Sizzla get it. Most of the figure them, I don't know, see in the ear, in the internet and things like that. Spice got invited to perform at the Gay Pride thingy and thing like that, while the Gay Pride biggest concern about Jamaica is violence towards gay people and sympathizers of gay people. So I couldn't see why they would want to encourage Spice to endanger herself like that in where there's an apparent threat to health and safety. I don't understand the ignorance and the egoism, it could be a case whereby by any sacrifice necessary, we need these type of people to perpetuate, we need these type of people to compromise their presence, their significance in order to normalize or further gain grounds with a separate agenda from the norm or from that which is normally practiced, like a cultural thing type of a sitting in a seat. So this could be a case whereby she was persuaded somewhat by outside entities to say this as a diss intended towards Vybz Kartel. See, like I said, culture is not something that's hidden or foreign to people who apply themselves to it, like particularly Dawkins. She is familiar with the culture, see, and she herself knows that how it works, how certain things work and things like that. People who practice, she know how it works. So even in suggesting that, she might have purposely pushed the boat to that point where, it's either. It's either make or break. See, because it could break her career, because 90% of the people who is gonna fall in her corner to support her are supporters of Vybz Kartel as well. See, you never know, the controversy might give her a viral thing for a bit or forever or however. See, you never know. She might be fixed. You never know. All things are possible. All of these corruptions exist, and they have been implemented time after time over and over on people that we know. We have experienced them, we have seen them, it's written in history and so on. So we can't overlook them things. See, factoring these things in the equation, critical thinking, see. But still, while we are being balanced the whole thing, we don't know if all of this was agreed even before, you know, the song recorded or before the song go public and all of them thing there. You know, see, because this is really pushing, like I say, this is like groundbreaking then when you put it like that. And I've never heard anybody ask Ninja Man or Shabba Ranks or any artist whatsoever. I mean, she mentioned other artists, other male artists in her song as well, and she never suggests make any sort of oral, you know, sexual suggestion like that. So really and truly we are trying to figure out the motive, you know, behind such a move and thing like that. See, but we also like the item take stock and consider the ramification of the item action. You know, see it, and when the item go around and I say music now no influence by nobody. This is ample example, like a slam in the face of Vybz Kartel, in other words, because you go around and sing, say you want oral sex from woman, and see a woman come back come singing a song, so she want drop the pum pum right across your mouth. You know, see, and what you can do really, in a society like this, you have to just deal with that private. You can't publicly denounce what she are going with, because half of your fan base them accept the proposal from yourself. Perform the act. So how you are going to discredit the act, discriminate against the act, and, you know, condemn the act. You know. So I see me if the argument was reversed now, where somebody going to sing a song and say, boy, them all come, them can't wait for old Kartel for bust him head, for the chip Glock and this and that in a Kartel head, and it's like somebody reversing your analogies in your songs in order to get the not opposite effect, but probably the same effect, you know, but from an opposing perspective. You understand? It might just be all entertainment for the person, that you yourself not just manipulate scene, but yes, Rasta. You know I laugh me so long, but I hold it and I try to explain myself nice and decently. You see, now the joke are coming. You see, you know, you instigate it by yourself. It's like, you know, it's luckily it's not one of the gunmen them out there are, you know, thinks that them all carry out the act when them hear you normalize, you know, you sang them. You see. But this is ample example. This is an example itself whereby your own word can come back you know, affect you negatively, and you can't even react, because mother really like hear and see. You know, with all due respect, all you have to do is just laugh and say, you know, a joke, say a joke, man. You know, see it? But think about it. If you walk on the street, Kartel left on the street, up on the corner or something like that, and that even that same girl there, Star Dawkins, walk up on the corner and Kartel will like sit down in your face, you know, flat out on the ground unconscious. No argument, no reply, you know, see it? Straight. You know, see it? Yet still, in this case, him going to see it as a laughing matter and just know, so, a joke, say a joke, a music. You know, see it? So it's not something that's openly and really acceptable, especially in a public space. You know, see it? But you can sing. You can sing it. At least, you know, you know, see him on the road and go walk and sit down in him face, and you just go back up the body in him face like that, and just, you know, him sit down on all the corner on a bench and so right, him face the right of your grind size, you know, and you just walk up on him and just blap and lick him in your face with the body and just shake it 2 times in him face and say, I mean, Kartel, you sing bubble job all the while, you must want your mate out. You know? At least I know something like that, you know. I still couldn't blame you, because Yeah, again, it's how you interpret the argument coming from the individual. You understand what I say? So again, you know, you don't know how to look at it. Really and truly, because how me now I go explain the injustice to the girl. When me tell her, I say, no, when Kartel demand some, or ask for some, or request some, or whatever, him intention is not to return the favor. See? In a Jamaican style, the way when Jamaican receive them thing, the Jamaican no return it. How on earth, while she go down upon holiday, and she could have receive, she could have receive over and over. And that are the thing again, man could have just see her and walk up on her and promise her a yam. And all them things there. So she come to think it's a norm. Or even if Kartel is not that way persuaded as yet, he just need a little nudge. This is not funny. This is really threatening. This is how acclimatized, you know, and familiar people has become with a new day, a new agenda, a new, you know. So, you know, while we now find certain things funny and I laughy and them things, because these things are seriously can cost life, you know. You hear that? So, while we don't find certain things funny, we find the contrast funny. You know, see, and we find how people find themselves in a certain position funny. You know, see, so we still hope for the best and hope it work out itself and everybody come to a rational understanding. You know, see. We'll give thanks once again and we hope somebody explain in the comment section what really are going on and how them take this thing. See? More bless. Share, like, and subscribe in a Rastafari name.